Welcome all. So we are learning digital system design and today's topic that is binary number system. Okay, in the last videos we have discussed about number systems, the types of number system, how the number system is calculated. So that first part we have learned. Now in this video we will start next to that. Okay, so we have seen the formula n of b, that is the number to the base, and this is the integer part of a number, whole part, this is radix point, and this is fractional part. Now the binary number system is a number system which has the base value 2, and as the base value is 2, then the digits which are available in the number systems are 0 and 1. Okay, so we will find out how to calculate a binary number of the equivalent decimal number. Now we need to understand the point that the value of the number should not change. It should be remain same. You are using any of the number system. You are using binary, decimal, octal, hexadecimal. Then only the value of the number has to be same. So here we have one particular formula. Okay, so we will see the formula first. What is the formula? So if I want to calculate the equivalent number, then the first position value, second position value, this is first position we termed as a 0. So 0th position 1, position second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So the number. Okay, so how many digits your number is having? So that first thing we have to find out. Then the particular value, okay, if my number is at the position 0, the value will be calculated according 2 to the power. Okay, why we are taking 2? Because 2 is the base of the number system. Okay, so the 2 is base, and the weighted value will be calculated accordingly base to the power. Okay, so this is the formula is 2 is base, and this n is the position of digit. Okay, so this is the formula, and accordingly we find out the value of the decimal number. So I have written your decimal number 00 to 15. Okay, 00 up to the 15 we have seen the number. Now here weighted value calculation I have written. Example, for the example we have written the value weighted value calculation. So 0 position, 1 position, second position, third position. So this here these positions are written, and the value of that bit is calculated like this way: 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. And the value of the 2 raised to 0, we know that it is equals to 1. 2 raised to 1 value is equals to 2. This is value is 4, and this value is 8. So we know this is the formula, and accordingly we find out the value of the decimal number. So we'll write over here. I have written 2 equivalent decimal numbers. So 0 0, we since 0 value all bits are 0. So 0 0 0 0 0 1 value should be there. So 2 raised to 0 is value is equals to 1. So here 1 0 0 0. Now I want 2. Okay, so this bit 2 value, so this bit will be 1, and this all other bits are 0. So value of the 2 is 0 0 1 0. So 0 0. So here I am writing 0 0 1 0. Now I want 3 to be displayed. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So here 2 bits will turn to be 1. So here 1 1 0 0. So this is the value of 3. Now I need to find out the value of 4. So here this bit is value, this third bit value is 4. So here 1 0 0 0. So the value equivalent binary number for the 4 is 0 1 0 0. 0 1 0 0. So this is 4. Now 5 number 0 1 0 1, because this is 4 plus 1, that is 5. Now 6 number 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. So these 2 bits are 1. So 1 1 0. So 0 1 1 0. 0 1 1 0. For 7 6 plus 1. So 0 1 1 1. So this is 7. So we know the value of 8, this bit should be 1 and all other bits are 0. So this is 1 0 0 0. This is 8. Now 9 bits, 1 0 0 1, that is 9. Okay, now we want to find out the value of 10. So we know that 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. Okay, so here this bit is 1, this bit is 0, this bit is 1, and this is 0. Okay, so 1 0 1 0. This is 10. So 10 plus 1 1. Which bit is 1 for the 1? This last bit is 1. So 1 0 1 1. This is 11. Okay, 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay, so 1 1 0 0. Okay, 12 13 1 1 0 1. Okay, for 14 1 1 1 0. And for the last 15 the value is 1 1 1 1. Okay, so in this way we have calculated the values. Okay, so this table is very important, so everyone has to remember the table. Now we will find out the equivalence number. Okay, so we'll take some examples of the numbers. So here the example is binary to decimal conversion. Okay, so this is